Hey everyone, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have a battery-powered wall sconce by ERAVSOW, ERAVSOW. And I'll show you guys what it all comes with here. I'll see if I can try to open it up while I show you. Here's the instructions for it there, battery wall sconce. And ta-da, this is what it looks like here. So it's got the different holes on it here. Those are going to be the things. It comes with a remote control to turn it on and off. Two rechargers, USB to USB-C. This is going to be, I guess, the wall mounting bracket, so I'll mount that on the wall for it to hold it. And then this will be one of the sconces. I'm just going to show you one of them now, and then I'll hang it up, and you'll see them both on the wall. But so the concept is here. Let's see. Okay, so the way this will work, this is the sconce that hangs on the wall, and it'll hang on through this little clip here. So, so this will be mounted to the wall. This will slide right on it, right? Well, yeah, well, if it's on the wall that way, it'll slide on like that to hold it up. So that's it there. And then these are going to plug in to the, and it lights up already. And what's cool about these here is you can have it facing this way if you want it to face out lightways, or you could face it in to kind of have a mood effect of lighting around it. So kind of cool. Very neat little thing here. And then the recharging one is up there. The button to turn it on is right here on the side. So that's, it's got some different color tones as well. How cool is that? And let me see this remote here. Just open that up. So we have, do we need a battery? Oh, the battery has this little pull plastic tab. There, that tab is off. And it works. Okay, so watch, I go on. I can do the different brightness here. Oh, that's really dim. And I can do brightness. I can change it from 3000 Ks, 4500 Ks, or 6000 Ks. So that's the different colors. And I can set it even so it just goes on for an hour before I go to sleep or whatever. And then I can turn it off if I want to. So that's all the different options on the remote here. Very handy little remote in there. And I'm going to go put this up on the wall so you'll see it on the wall in the next setup of this. Okay, so I tried to make it dark in my room here, but here we go. I have the remote. I'll put it on there. And so there, you can kind of see it's got those lights on there. And I could say, change the different color temperature there. And I can change it to that as well. But this is how it looks. It looks really cool. And there's the brightness, and I can make it dimmer, pretty dim. But then I can make it brighter. So that's really cool. It looks awesome here in my room. Probably need something on. Maybe I might want to use one of these. One of these things are cool because you can also turn them sideways, and then it can be like a top light over something as well. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.